Hey guys, my name is Atul Kumar Jaswal and this is day one of learning DSA with me. And today I'm gonna teach you DSA problem named least capacity to ship packages without D-days. Yeah, so in this question th- uh, there is a array, there is a array is given and the number of days is given, and what you have to do is in output you have to tell the capacity that in a day how many ships can we pack. Yeah, so malab, you have to pack all these ships within 5 days. So what is the capacity per day? So in this example, let's take a example 10. Like we have a capacity of 10 ships to pack in a day. So here is on the first day we can pack one ship plus two ship plus three ship plus four ship. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equals to 10. So on first day we can only pack weight 1 2 3 and 4, and then on second day if we try to pack 5 plus 6 ships, then it gonna overflow out of the capacity. So yeah, so 5 plus 6 is equals to 11, which is greater than 10. So we can only pack 5 ships on day 2, and similarly we can pack 6 ships on day 3, 7 ships on day 4, 8 ships on day 5, 9 ships on day 6, and 7 day pay we can pack 10 ships according to weights. So yes, so if our capacity is 10 ships per day, then we have to take 7 days, but according to question we have to take only 5 days. So 10 is not our answer. So what should be our answer? So let's take another example in which we try to take the capacity equals to 15. So on day 1 we can pack 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 ships, because the sum of it is exactly equals to 15. So we can ship this amount of we can ship 15, we can pack we can ship 15 packages with on day 1. On day 2 we can pack 6 plus 7 packages, because 6 plus 7 equals to 13. And if we try to ship 8 more packages, then the sum gonna more than 15, which is our capacity. So we can't do that. So on day 2 we can ship 6 plus 7 packages, and similarly on day 3 we can pack only 8, on day 4 we can pack 9, and on day 5 we can pack 10. So yeah, we have to pack minimum, we have to give least capacity. So yeah, so 15 can be our least capacity. 15 can be, or 15 may or may not be our least capacity. So how we have to find it? If you tried the same example with the capacity 14, then 14 is not the answer, so 15 is the least capacity. So we have two solutions of it. First is brute force. You have to iterate from there to there and whatever. Okay, and the second method is binary search, because you can terminate a lot of, because you can reduce the answers by, yeah, yeah. So what we have today, is we have what should we take, low and high. So minimum what should be our minimum capacity? If our minimum capacity is less than the max element of the weights, then the 10, for example, if our capacity is 9, then we can't pack steps of load 10, because because it is more than our capacity. So what we have to do is we have to take low equals to max element of weights. That's what we have done here. int low equals to this is the inbuilt function in C++. You can use it to find max element, and then high we have to take is the total of all the weights is equals to our high, because what if we have only one day to pack all the things? Minimum number of days equals to 1, so the question can't go below 1 days. Don't worry about it. The minimum number of days is 1. So if we have to pack all the ships on 1 day, then we have to add all of the weights. Yeah, so that's why we are taking loads equals to sum of. So how can we find the sum of all? So we can take high equals to 0, and then we can iterate to it and find the sum of all elements. Okay, then after that we have to declare mid, which is equals to high plus low by 2, but I have written high plus high minus low by 2, because for what if high is much greater than low, then in that case low is negligible according to the high. So we have to take so if we can take this, then yeah, and then we have to make a function to get the capacity, to check the capacity. If this capacity is less than yeah, so is this capacity is less than yeah, if this capacity is less than the days given, then our answer should be mid. If the if we take our capacity as mid, and the function gives us the number of days which is less than the given number of days, then that may or may not be our answer, because we have to give least number of yeah, because we have to give a least number of least number of capacity. So it may or may not be our answer, but yeah, if the function returning the number of days is greater than the number of dates given, then yeah,